Today we got a Leatherman Wave Plus. This is the Leatherman that I keep in my saddlebag on my horse. It's got 18 tools in it. First off, people like to flip these. Mine's a little stuck, but you can open them up one-handed like that. Got the replaceable cutting surfaces by Leatherman for cutting and stripping. On the inside, it's got a bottle opener, your standard bottle opener, and your replaceable, exchangeable bit holder. This side is a flathead, and then you turn it around, and this side is a Phillips. These are locking by this thumb device over here. On the other inside, you have 5 more tools on this side. You have folding scissors, which are amazing for cutting bandages, belts, webbing, safe way to cut stuff. Then you have a large flathead, a very small exchangeable like eyeglass screwdriver, or for your sights on your weapon. This end is Phillips. The other end is when you take it out and switch it around, is a flathead, and it's held in there by a spring device. We have rulers, metric and imperial, on both sides. Gives you about 8 inches total. Again, locking. And then on the outside, we have these amazing tools: serrated blade, saw, powerful saw, file, really works, and a straight blade. It's $130 from Amazon. Works like a champ. It's a big tool. You're going to want to carry it in a sheath or in something like your saddlebag. As an everyday carry, great. In your pocket, a little heavy, but having all the tools you're going to need, like when I'm on the horse, I feel comfortable having this.